New RM7201 automatic winding lifestyle flyback chronograph watch. In-house caliber CRMC1. Scrutinize movement with automatic bidirectional winding and hours, minutes, small seconds, date, flyback, chronograph functions, indicator and stop seconds. Base plate and bridges in grade 5 titanium. The base plate and bridges are crafted in grade 5 titanium, a biocompatible, highly corrosion resistant and remarkably rigid alloy, ensuring the gear train functions smoothly. The alloy is 90% titanium, 6% aluminium and 4% vanadium. Movement characteristics are movement dimension is 29.10 by 31.25 mm. Thickness is 6.05 mm. Number of joules 39. Balance field cube. Forearms 4 setting weights. Moment of inertia 7.5 mg cm square. Angle of lift is 50 degree. Frequency 28,800 vph, approximate 4 Hz. Belly spring AK3. Shock protection in Kevlar 908.22.211.100 transparent. Movement microblasted and hand polished. Chamfering for bridges. Microblasted milled sections, microblasted and hand polished sinks for the bridges. Electroplasma treatment for the base plate and bridges. Steel parts, satin, brushed surfaces, hand polished chamfered edges, hand polished sinks and drawn edges. Wheels diamond polish sinks, diamond polish angles, circular finish faces and rhodium plating before cutting the teeth.